let's just like take like a 30,000 foot view. Basically, Near is working on something called chain abstraction. A part of that is chain signatures, because I've been sort of intimately involved in like building some of the sort of the app layer tooling around that for developers. So kind of developers' first touch point to that chain signature protocol that's going to sit on Near. Really, when we talk about chain abstraction, is we're trying to abstract away chains for the user. So the user shouldn't have to know what chain they're on, and they shouldn't have to know what's happening really. They should just really know that they have an NFT or they have a fungible token, and they should know the value of that token and how, like, what sort of operations are available to them. Like, I can swap it, I can list it for sale, things like that. So that's chain abstraction. So what is chain signatures as part of the toolkit? Chain signatures is basically a way to safely generate another public key off of your Near account, and that public key is basically designed to be used with typically an EVM chain, because Near doesn't use the same sort of signing sort of Bitcoin and Ethereum and EVM chains. So it's a safe way to basically make those extra public keys. And when you have public keys, you basically have addresses and accounts. And then within the chain signatures protocol, there's a sign method. So we can actually call sign from only one transaction with our Near account in order to sign a transaction hash, which is like the tiny, you take your transaction, what you want to do, and you call sign. But before you do that, you take all your transaction details and you hash it down into this 32 character string, right? And people have seen, transaction IDs on chain and things like that. It's very similar. And that's chain signatures, basically.